Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Jamaica Labour Party JLP is defending the government's handling of the Jamaica-Cuba arrangement. The party contends that the government has successfully managed to balance principle and avoiding confrontation with the U.S. on the matter. Dwayne Anderson reports.
In a few days, Cuban medical personnel will depart Jamaica, ending 50 years of this medical cooperation. Jamaicans differ in opinion on how the matter should have been resolved. But the JLP's Communication Task Force Chairman, Senator Abka Fitzhenley, has leapt to the defense of the administration.
The whole administration and the portfolio leader, Senator the Honorable Kamina Johnson-Smith, have been able to adopt a successful approach to diplomacy, which is characterized by nuance and pragmatism, and importantly has avoided unnecessary confrontation, which could have had dire consequences for the people of Jamaica, but has also at the same time been able to pay significant regard to principle and maintaining good relations with our international partners.
In the past few days, this video of former Prime Minister Michael Manley has resurfaced, adding an extra dimension to the Jamaica-Cuba-USA discourse.
We are not angering the United States of America. They are angering themselves. They are not going to tell me what relationship I have with Fidel Castro. We have that friendship with Cuba as part of a world alliance of third world nations that are fighting for justice for poor people in the world.
The JLP Communication Task Force Chairman fired back.
People say, that's a great demonstration of principle. Well, Manley not only made a U-turn in the latter stages of his political career, but as even close associates of the former Prime Minister admitted, the Jamaican people faced major consequences because of the ill-advised bravado. What the socialist or the quasi-socialist or those sympathetic with such an agenda will not tell you is that the approach taken by the Manley administration regarding the issue of Cuba and Jamaica and our international partners caused a major fallout, which brought the Jamaican economy to the brink and brought tremendous hardship upon the people of Jamaica.
The JLP spokesman and government senator addressed the matter while speaking at an event at the AC Hotel in Kingston on Tuesday. The end of Jamaica's formal medical arrangement with the Cuban government followed shortly on the heels of Trump's initial squeeze on Cuba, cutting off fuel to the nation, triggering massive power outages and other shortages in the country. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.